Hi friends, I'm so excited to show you this product right here. This is makeup that you can use like contour, blush, lipstick, eyeshadows. You can use it in multiple purpose and came with this brush as a gift. So let's go try it. And this is the brush. It's so soft and the color is so beautiful. Let's go open the makeup. This is the first. This is the number 5. This is the package. It's small, so you can take it to every place. Have this other protector. And look at this. This is the color. Let's go try it here. Oh. Look at this. You can use more product for more coverage. I use it just a little, but you can see in my arm that the coverage is so high. So now let's go use it the second. This is the number 3. This is like a bronzer. Look at this. You can use it to like a highlight too. So let's go put it in my hand right here. Look, this shining. I can use this for the eyeshadows. In the nose, like a highlight. In the cheeks. I'm gonna use the number 5 again, like a brush. Look that color. So this is the last one, and it's the number 4. Look, this is for contour. Or you can use it like eyeshadow too. Let's go use it in our arm. Look this coverage. So I'm gonna use a little in my eyeshadow with my finger. Look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. I'm gonna contour a little right here and here, and a little more in the nose. I'm gonna use the brush for this one. Whoa. A little more highlight right here, here, and in this part of the brows. Like a highlight here. So this is the final look. It's like a natural makeup. These are so practical because you can take it with you to every place, and the brush too. So I highly recommend it for every day and every place. See you.